Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use basic motions and gestures on Oukitel WP50. First I'm gonna show you the motions and gestures that will both apply to your phone whenever it has the gesture motions like that or three buttons control. You can swipe on your phone through pages. You can swipe up from the right top part of your screen to reveal the control center, or from the left top part of your screen to reveal notifications. You can swipe. You can press and hold on things, for example on apps, to view app info, like that. And you can also press and hold, then drag to put them in different places. Now I'm gonna show you the motions and gestures with the gesture navigation. When you open an app and you want to close it, just swipe up this bar like that and it closes an app. To go back within an app, swipe from the right or from the left side. This goes back. Like that. And when you hold up and hold for a moment, then it will open the app, the recently opened apps, and you can swipe them up to close them. Now I'm gonna show you how to use your phone with three buttons navigation. Go to settings, then go to system, gestures, navigation mode, three button navigation. Now when you click on the circle button in the center, it goes to home. When you click on the square button, it opens the recently opened apps, and when you click on this triangle, it goes back. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.